H2O, other known as water, allows life to exist on Earth for many reasons. Water molecules participate in many chemical reactions to support life. The structure of a water molecule allows it to interact with many other diverse molecules, allowing it to maintain life on our planet. Structure. Water is made up of many molecules. Two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen, bonded together by one covalent bond. That is why it is called H2O. Because water is polar, the two ends of the molecules have opposite charges, allowing it to form hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds can form because of the fact that slightly positive hydrogen of one molecule is attracted to the slightly negative oxygen of a nearby molecule. Water's emergent properties come from hydrogen bonding. Cohesion and adhesion. Cohesion is able to occur in water because of the hydrogen bonding between the molecules. Strong cohesion in turn leads to high surface tension. Water has a higher surface tension than more other liquids, mainly because of the high quantity of hydrogen bonds, and that is why some insects, such as the water strider, are able to walk on water without sinking. The opposite of cohesion is adhesion. Adhesion allows water to form attractions with other substances. These two work together to transport water into plants. Cohesion allows water to travel throughout the plant, while adhesion allows water to counter the downward pull of gravity and cling to the walls of the plants. Moderation of temperature. Water has a high heat capacity, which allows water to change temperatures in response to gain or lose heat. Water is able to moderate temperatures by absorbing heat from air that is warmer and releasing the stored heat to air that is cooler. Because of this, coastal areas such as the beaches have mild climates. The high specific heat helps calm the temperature in the ocean and creates an environment that allows life underwater. Floating ice. Unlike most substances, water as it freezes expands, becomes less dense, and can therefore float in liquid. As water begins to freeze, the molecules no longer move enough to break their hydrogen bonds. It is important to the environment that ice floats, because if ice sank, it would remain frozen and ponds, lakes, and even oceans would freeze solid, making life underwater impossible. Solvent. Due to the polarity of the water molecules, water is an excellent solvent. Water can dissolve ionic substances because the poles of the polar water molecules interact with ionic substances and separate them into ions. For example, table salt in water. Water is also able to dissolve some substances made up of non-ionic polar molecules, and that is why water is able to dissolve sugars. Conclusion. Because of these properties of water, water is unique and is able to maintain perfect life on our planet.